In this class we will learn how to use the editing commands that allow you to move, mirror, align and rotate the elements of a project. To get started, open the available file. The first command we will see is Move, present in the Modify panel of the Home tab. We have activated this command and you are prompted to select the object to be moved. We select this circumference, which will be positioned next to this other circumference to represent a recess. We confirm the selection with an enter and define the base point, which will be the center of the circumference. See that we can now move the object, and that a dimmed object is displayed in the location where the original object was located. We click on the center point shown and see that we have repositioned the circumference in the project. Proceeding, we will study the command Mirror, which makes it possible to mirror elements in a project. With the active command, we select the circumference we just moved. Now we select the two midpoints of these entities to define the mirror line. See that a preview of the result is displayed and we are asked whether or not the original object should be deleted. We select No and see that mirroring is applied. We performed another mirroring, but now selecting all the internal elements of this card and mirroring vertically. Look. With most of the details defined inside the piece, we will align this rebound in the center of these cutouts. To do this, we activate the command Align, displayed by clicking on the title bar of the Modify panel. Now we must select the object to be aligned and confirm with an enter. Next, we define the base point for the alignment and the destination point. If necessary, we can select another base and destination point to align the object. In our case, we do not need other points, so we press Enter to apply the command. See that the bounce was positioned exactly in the center of the clippings. It is worth remembering that when we select more than one base point and destination point, we are asked whether or not the object to be aligned should be resized. See. Now let's look at the application of the object rotation command. We activate the command as shown, and select the entire set we just designed, pressing Enter to confirm. We define the base point that will be used as the axis for the rotation of the part. We set the angle of rotation to reposition the element in the project. We can also, in this step, create a rotated copy of the part using the Copy option. See. In some cases it is necessary to rotate the object from a reference angle. For this, we must select the reference option and specify the reference angle for the application of the command. And so we finished this lesson, where we learned how to use various editing commands that allow us to complete a project in a faster and more practical way.